Hi, I'm Cam with TELUS, and today I'm answering the question, how do I replace the battery for my CO2 detector? To start, we need to unscrew the bottom from the top of the CO detector here. So if you twist it, it'll pop right off, then you can get to the inside. The battery's in there pretty good. I recommend using a small flathead screwdriver, just right in the top here. And it should come out pretty easily. Remove the battery, grab the new one, line it up, make sure that positive and negative line up with positive and negative, and simply pop it in. On the top, you'll see a small circle, and then on the bottom half, you'll see a line. So once it's connected, those are going to line up. So right now, the circle and the line and the circle are offset, and then we close it, and they're lined up. And that's it. Thanks for watching us at TELUS.